Hi, I'm Randy, President with Ozone Laundry Systems, here to explain little differences about Ozone for your commercial laundries. They make three different systems. They make a Venturi system, which we have, which we take the water under high pressure. We take an ozone generator with an oxygen concentrator. We dissolve this ozone in a Venturi injection system, which then we control the ozone levels which going into your washers at the ppm required, which stands for parts per million. In the laundries today, we're running anywhere from 1 to 7 parts per million. In one of our facilities in California, we're running near 7 parts per million and doing an excellent job with it, which our system is the only one you can control this with. We have a monitor, which is a dissolved ozone monitor, which controls the water with the ppms in it, goes into a tank. We degas all the excess ozone at this point in the tank before it goes to your washer, so all you get is dissolved ozone into your washer. We have a lot of patents in our machinery there that we do all this with that I won't get into details with, but that's how you need to clean laundry in a commercial laundry, hotel laundry, hospital facility today. The other systems are bubble diffuser systems, which they're trying to take raw gas into the bottom of a washer. In any industrial type situation like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, it takes 20 feet of water column to bubble an ozone bubble up through a tank to get 1 part per million. There's not a washer in this world that has that footage. The most you see is a foot and a half. So that tells you just mathematically the concentrations that you can get into the water by bubbling ozone in the bottom of a washer. Then you look at the safety hazards with dumping the raw gas into the washer, where you're getting about 0.01 part per million to 0.2 part per million into the water. What's happening to that gas? Well, as you know, gas is dangerous. At 50 ppm, it will kill you. So OSHA limits are 0.1 in an 8-hour period for any employee working in there, and 0.3 in a 15-minute still time. If you take the concentrations with a bubble diffuser, if they're putting any ozone in there at all, you open the door, you'll get high levels of ozone over and above any OSHA limit coming out of that washer. Plus you got the fact, if you got about 0.1 ppm in the water and you're not getting the cleaning like we are at 5 ppm. The other option, number 3, is a Venturi injection off your main water line into your washer. Well, as we use a high pressure pump and we don't control the water fills through the pump, we control it through the tanks with the city pressure, so we never take away from your fill times in our machine. We have standing ozone at all time. With the other Venturi injection off the machine, that takes the city water pressure, and now you got to knock that 3/4 inch line down, 1 inch line down to about a 3/8 line, so your fill times in there increase to 3 to 5 minutes per fill time. And if you've got 5 fill times in there, you've just increased your laundry production time and your labor in your laundry about 2-fold on there. So that is the downside of putting a Venturi fill on the machine there. You might save energy, you might get more ppm in the water, maybe up to 1 ppm in the water. If your water fluctuates in your building at any times, which it does in every hotel I've ever been in, at 50 psi across the Venturi, you'll dissolve so much ozone. It's called SCFH, standard cubic feet an hour. If your pressure drops down, everybody turns their shower on and it goes to 10 psi, you're going to dissolve about 1/10 of that. No controllability of ozone in the laundry machine with these two other systems. We at Ozone Laundry Systems believe in controlling ozone. We believe in the safety factor. We have ambient ozone monitors that set alarms off. If the OSHA limits ever get above 0.1 in the laundry work area, it shuts the machine down. It will honestly even send a signal to your security or whoever you want it to go to. So with all these options on our machines, on the details of mixing the oxygen into the generator. It's a plasma generator, the safety devices. We feel in the ozone laundry industry today that we have the only system that will actually work in your laundry operations. Thank you.